I'm Miko.
And we're Wander Open Roads. So thank you for joining us once again. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. You know, this time we're talking about grills. So if you're an RVer, especially if you're full-time, you know, you like to do a lot of grilling. And it's a lot of fun. But at a lot of RV parks, they either won't let you build the fire, or you know, you don't have a fire pit. They have restrictions on that type of thing, or it's just kind of a pain to have to go out and make a fire every night. So you know, portable grills are very popular, and we had a Coleman portable grill that was small enough to fit in one of our outside bays that we used for a while, but we started having problems with it, and so you know what, it was time for an upgrade.
And so just to kind of go back, if you have a Class C or a travel trailer, the size of your grill will definitely matter, especially if you're trying to fit it into a compartment. So you can't just go out and get any grill. You have to be very specific about the size of the grill that you get.
Yeah, I took measurements of the storage bay, and you know, definitely made sure that the grill that we bought was going to fit in there. So that's very important. Absolutely.
And because of that, it does make it a challenge when you have a grill and you're trying to get a new grill. You can't, again, just go out and get any grill.
Right.
You have to take measurements, and because of that, the availability or the options that you have to choose from are going to dwindle down. Yeah, definitely.
So today we're going to do an unboxing. We'll show you the old grill. We'll talk about some of the problems that we had, and then we'll unbox the new one and look at the shiny new toy. Yeah. Okay, so this was our old grill. This is a Coleman, I believe it's a 600 series. Very small, compact. It'll fit in our outside storage bays on our Class C, and it did a good job for a while, but we started to have some problems with it. So here, very well used, but we had one of the legs that was basically about to fall off, so that was one thing. But then also here on the inside, this got to the point where the flame would not evenly distribute across this, so you would have one big mass of flame coming on one side and nothing over here, so trying to evenly cook your food was a little difficult. So yeah, it was definitely time for an upgrade. Okay, so this is my new buddy. This is the Cuisinart Grillster portable gas grill. Doesn't he look happy in that picture? That's about to be me. Alright, let's see what's in the box. I've already cut the tape, so here we go. We have some instructions that I probably will not read. And let's flip this over. So I see a little latch right here to where you can lock the lid, which is good for travel. So, okay, something in the box. Okay, yeah, so this is your removable grate that you would actually take out for cleaning after you get done, and it's like a ceramic type. So yeah, it looks like something that would be very easy to clean. I mean, actually it looks like it's probably dishwasher safe, honestly. So yeah, so if you look in there, there's a nice full gas. I guess that's where your flame comes out, where your gas is distributed. So yeah, that's very nice and uniform. Put that grate on there, and that locks in. So yeah, nice uniform cooking. That's what you want, right? And then underneath here, I believe there's a drip pan that we can get to somehow. Let's see. Gonna latch that. Oh yeah. Actually, has some legs here that pop out, which is nice. Okay. Yeah, so it has its own stand, front and back. There, this is where you would connect your propane canister, which is probably what's in here, and there's your starter. Yeah. And when you're done, you can just fold up these legs, and you have a nice carrying handle. So I am going to be cooking some chicken thighs tonight on this, so we'll see how it does. Alright, so let's take a look inside this box here. And yep, that's your gas regulator right there that you would attach to your propane canister, and it screws in right here on the side. Okay, and there's your drip pan right there, nice and compact. And I'm sure there's a place underneath here on the side. Ah, it's on the side. Okay. So right here on the side, that's where that goes. Easy enough. So here it is. It is cook time for the first time here. So let's see how our, oh yeah, look at that. Now those are thighs, but those are some pretty big thighs. So yeah, you know, you could probably get about 4 burgers on here. You know, maybe a small tray of chicken or so, but you know, for 2 people this is what we're looking for. So yeah, I'd say things are looking good. Alright, so let's check on it here. I think we're, oh yeah, looking good, definitely looking good. So I will put the product information for this grill in the link, and you can check it out if you are in the market. And thanks for joining us once again. Bye.
Be sure to check out our selection of travel apparel at shopredsquare.com and our Etsy shop. Links will be in the description. Thank you.